What is the population of Inishmore Island? When you think about the charm of the Aran Islands, Inishmore Island stands out as a captivating destination. Nestled off the west coast of Ireland in Galway Bay, this island is the largest of the three Aran Islands. It is a place where the Irish language and culture thrive, making it a unique spot for travelers seeking authentic experiences. As of the latest estimates, Inishmore Island has a population of around 800 to 850 residents. This small community is part of the Gaeltacht region, where Irish is spoken as the primary language. The island's size and population create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for visitors looking to connect with the local way of life. Inishmore is not just about numbers, it is rich in history and natural beauty. One of the most famous sites on the island is Dún Aonghasa, an ancient cliffside fort that offers breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. This fort is a testament to the island's long history and is a must-see for anyone visiting. Travelers can immerse themselves in the local culture by enjoying traditional music, art, and food. The island's small population means that visitors often find themselves engaging with locals who are eager to share their stories and traditions. Whether you are hiking along the rugged coastline or relaxing in a cozy cafe, Inishmore provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. For those interested in outdoor activities, Inishmore offers stunning landscapes to explore. Biking and walking trails wind through the island, allowing you to take in the scenic views at your own pace. The island is also home to unique wildlife, making it a great spot for nature lovers. Inishmore Island is truly one of Ireland's hidden gems. With its small population, rich culture, and beautiful scenery, it is a destination that should not be missed. Whether you are a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a quiet getaway, Inishmore has something special to offer every traveler.